Hi everyone. In this video, we will be talking about Infosys exam, SP and DSE job role, and we will be discussing about the coding questions from the students who have recently completed their exams. So these students have given the SP exam just like 1 month before, and they have shared their responses. So I will be telling about the questions, what kind of questions they are asking. So as we all know, there will be total four questions. Out of four, you need to complete three. Okay, any three you can choose. So talking about the Infosys exam pattern for upgradation, easy tree generally it comes from tree traversal, medium from spanning tree, and hard from 2D DP or graph. Okay, so all these trees questions are trees and graph. Okay, trees and trees based on graphs, something like that. Okay, and complex nobody understood. And talking about the exact question, let's discuss about this. Easy one, I don't remember. It was from some LCM and sub array. So this student have given the exam. Okay, so he shared his response. So it was from some LCM and sub array. Okay, so definitely it is from DP. And mainly what I got from the responses are, so the DP which they are asking in the easy question is something interval DP. Okay, I hope you guys did interval DP or you have done egg dropping problem. Okay, if you don't know about egg dropping problem, you can search about it. Okay, so dropping problem and interval DP, gap DP. I hope you guys know about the gap DP. So this kind of question generally they are asking in the DP. Okay, this I am just talking about the easy one. So it is basically lead code medium to hard level. Okay, it is lead code medium to hard. You can say lead code medium to hard. Okay, after that, talking about the medium one. Medium from brackets, given n number of brackets, k number of swap, find all valid brackets by making k swaps. It was also from subsequence. So it is also from DP for this student experience. Okay, so making k swaps, if you are trying to do with recursion, it will fail the test cases. Okay, it will pass some initial 1 to 2 test cases, but it will like fail for many test cases. Okay, and I hope you guys have done these kind of questions like minimum swaps. So this kind of question they asked. Okay, but this question was around code forces rating 500 1500. Okay, so 1500 kind of question it was. So definitely the level of the difficulty was higher than lead code. Okay, on lead code you will be not getting like this kind of questions. So medium one was very hard. Hard was the subsequence part, has to find all the subsequence where subsequence has only one peak. So this is a CP question, standard CP question, around 1800 rating on code forces. Okay, if you will go on code forces in the DP section, you will get some question like this. Okay, so it is standard 1800 1900 question. Yes, difficult, very difficult. Okay, after that the complex question is from grid DP. Given a robot 0 comma 0 has to reach n minus 1 m minus 1, we have to return minimum energy needed by him. Complex question, but the thing is this DP which is from complex. Okay, the main thing is this one. Okay, this one has the DP on graph. Okay, so if you heard about graphs. Okay, so there is one concept which we call DP on graph, in which you perform the dynamic programming on graphs. So this question was from like that side, and it was very hard. Okay, very hard. So talking about the conclusion. Okay, talking about the conclusion, generally what pattern they are following. So many candidates got the question like this, in which the first question was from tree, second one tree or graph, third one mainly DP, and fourth one many candidates are not able to understand like the topic. Okay, it is very complex. Otherwise, students are getting first question from DP, second also from DP, third from DP graph tree, and fourth one again no one knows. So I would suggest these three topics, which is trees, graph, DP, DP on trees. DP on trees, and very complex problems from code forces, as I again suggested. Please solve the code forces problem set. I will just go on the code forces because what kind of question they are like asking, I will just give you an idea. Okay, so if you will go on code forces, you will be getting here many questions, right? Like you can see here, the tags as well. So start with them. Okay, rating, you can see here, are the ratings, some ratings are given here. So I would suggest you to solve 1500 plus. Okay, so just as suppose um, this is 1700, which is a DP and string. Okay, so you can go for it. If you will scroll down, it is 1800. It is on DP graphs and sorting. So just open this. Okay, so you will be seeing the question. It is again the DP on graph question. So if these kind of 20 question, even 20 question, if you will solve these kind of questions, you will get a very, very good idea. Okay, you will get a very, very good idea. And again, I'm repeating, if you don't know about data structures and algorithms, if you have at least don't have good command over lead code, no need to go for the test. It will break your heart. The questions will be very difficult. Okay, so if you don't want to waste your time and if you don't know about data structures and algorithm, no need to go for it. Okay, for DSE, I would suggest target 1 to 1.5 question. For SP, it will be 1.5 plus. Okay, all the best for all of you.